So you will not believe this. Yi Tao, I just met this guy like 30 minutes ago. Oh, I'm Terrence, by the way.
Oh. Alright, Yi Tao.
Yi Tao? Okay, good to meet you. And he's letting me drive his 599. So what's the specs on it? All I know is it's front engine. That's all I know about it.
It has a V12, 6 liter.
This is the same, this engine is actually derived, or the Enzo engine is derived from this one.
And it's slightly detuned from the Enzo, right?
Yeah.
Like 612 horsepower in this one?
Yeah, this one's 612, Enzo I think 650. And also I think this one's a tune more for like low end torque.
For torque? That makes sense for a GT.
It's what, 380?
383.
380.
That's MSRP?
MSRP.
Yeah. It has 100K of options on it because they started at like 280 something.
Just gotta get this for CYA. You're gonna let me drive this thing and we're good, right? About to pop my first Ferrari cherry. Oh yeah, why don't you give me like a 30-second on how to drive this thing?
In park is still just lift up your gas pedal when you shift.
Okay. It's a push button or?
Push button on your...
It's on the steering wheel.
Oh. Okay. And then it's just paddles up and down?
Just press the auto button, right? You have to press that to make it manual mode.
Press the auto button to get it to... yeah.
See, it changes this. So if you press it again, it's auto. So just put it back into the manual.
Oh, okay, okay. And then you said lift off the gas to shift?
Like right after you pull a paddle to upshift, just lift off.
Okay.
And then it goes into the next gear and then go back on gas.
Okay. Sounds good.
And then if you want to go, just, you know, pull the right pedal and then it'll shift to one. Pull the right pedal and it'll shift to one. Right now,
Reverse is that button down there.
Yeah, reverse is, no, right here on the console.
Center console.
Yeah.
Revert.
And then to go back to neutral, you just press the
Downshift?
both pedal. And then when you decelerate, like to a stop, you don't have to downshift. The car will downshift for you.
Like it won't stall.
Wow. So here I am, driving a Ferrari 599, first time. Popping my cherry, driving a Ferrari. This is wild. So above 4,000 to 5,000 RPM, it starts to really pull. But yeah, you definitely start to feel all the power, and it comes on a lot smoother. It's not like boom, punch you in the back like an LS, just, you know, throws you in your seat. It's just like gradually, and then it really pulls. It's very comfortable though. And look at these seats, they're so sick. Carbon fiber. Wow, this be a nice cruiser, nice daily for sure. Alright, Terrence. Gotta step up the goals and get a Ferrari one day. This is awesome. Let's turn it around. Oh man, it's a very comfortable ride. Ferrari 599, front engine V12, 305s in the back, 305s look alive. .305 come alive. Okay. I guess they're coming back around. I don't know why. Let's get back to my car. Definitely a heavier car. feel too heavy. It's still very like nimble but comfortable. How do they do that? Maybe I'm just used to driving old crap boxes. Let's hear this thing. That is awesome. You know what? I'm gonna have to let Yi Tao drive my RX-7 since he was so kind to let me drive his Ferrari. I want to know his reaction of the power, just the instant torque power. Let's see what he says. Six speeds, cruising. Oh, no armrest, that's kind of awkward. I gotta lean over when I'm driving. Okay, this is awesome. Got a smile on my face the whole time. You know, if you got depression, buy Ferrari, you'll be happy. How do you turn this thing off? How do you put it in park? I'll leave it in first. That's my assumption. I've just parked the Ferrari. I'm back next to my RX-7. And this is the first time doing like a paddle shifter type of car with no column. Like, how do you put this thing back into park so I can turn it off without it lurching or having issues on startup? So this is, right now I have it in first and it shows auto 1, so I'm just gonna put in auto and I guess I'll just turn it off. E-brake up.
If you wanted to convert to a manual, this is the last car you can do it. You cannot convert the dual clutch ones. The F12, A12, you cannot convert those to a manual. This, there's quite a few shops around the country that can do it. I think the cost around like 35 and 40-ish. So basically they reuse the same transmission, but they kind of retrofit the pedals, the shift linkage.
Mm-hmm. Same clutch? They use,
same transmission actually.
Oh, same transmission?
Same transmission. So they retrofit the linkage, the hydraulics. Because this car actually come with manual.
With a manual, right? Yeah.
There are 30 manuals.
Only 30?
30, wow. How many of these were sold?
This about 3,000-ish.
Wow.
So 1%.
1%.